Hello and welcome to all. I am V. Tanushriya from class 7th GSS Public School Teachers Layout Mysuru. I want to start by wishing my principal, teachers and dear friends a very happy Independence Day. करमण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतु भूमा संगोस्त्वकर्मणि. This is the popular verse of Bhagavad Gita, which states that you have to perform duties without expecting fruits of action. Never be motivated by the result of action, nor shall you be attached to not performing your prescribed duties. Our freedom fighters also fought for Indian independence with the same principle. We got our independence on 15th August 1947. It's 7 decades from now. It was the date of destiny to India. India is the largest and most exceptional democratic country in the world. The country which is diverse in all possible sense, geographically, culturally, and linguistically. We are breathing independent India because of the efforts and devotion of our great freedom fighters. Some of the prominent gems of freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Nana Sahib, Lal Bahadur Shastri. In the string of freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi's place is in the crest of the pendant. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869, Porbandar in Gujarat, India. He had two weapons to fight against British rule. One is Satya and the second one is Ahimsa, which brought an end to British rule in India. I would like to share an heart-melting story of a young freedom fighter named Narayan Mahadev Dhoni, a 13-year-old boy of Lamington High School, Hubli, Karnataka. On 15th August 1942 was an important day in Hubli. The entire city was arranged for procession of freedom fighters. All the freedom fighters gathered to shout slogan of Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai with Swaraj banner in their hands. The sea of patriots joined in Durgat Bale, a square in heart of the city. The young boy, filled with patriotism, got up early in the morning, wore khadi dress and Gandhiji topi, with Indian flag tied to a bamboo stick. He took blessings from his mother and he left to participate in the freedom movement. The air was filled with slogans of British to quit India, which provocated British officers, to which the police were motivated to fire on protesters. Some protesters saved their life, but when young Narayan was shouting Swaraj slogan, one of the bullets pierced into his chest. He rolled on the ground with a pool of blood. Some of the British officers rushed him to the hospital. The young hero was battling for life when one of the British officers asked Narayan, "What do you want?" Even in the critical condition, the boy forgot his pain and said Swaraj with his last breath. Even today, people remember noble sacrifice of young freedom fighter Narayan Mahadev Dhoni. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi, which means Mother Janani and Motherland Janmabhumi are greater than heaven. Spoken by Lord Rama in epic Ramayan. With this, I conclude with devotion to my motherland. Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.